Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking snow blowing at its finest today with our Ariens snowblower. We'll be outside here shortly. However, scrolling above is a link. Definitely check that out. You might actually get a kick out of it. We take the snowblower off course. However, from here, let's go outside. All right, DIYers, here we are, all the way to the ground. You can hear that, and it measures in just about 17 inches. And that Ariens snowblower had a lot of fun with that 17 inches of snow. We love that machine.